Welcome. In today's video, we are talking about how to manifest money so fast that it feels illegal. Yes, you heard me right. First things first, let's define what is money, because here is the foundation of this video. When you think that money is something material, something that is outside of you, you are wrong. Money is actually flowing spiritual energy that is actually just like you coming from the same source that some people call universe, other people call it God, other people call it the higher intelligence. Whatever you want to call it, it's the same thing, and everything comes from this source, including money, including your financial abundance. In order to actually manifest money out of thin air, literally, we need to understand that it's all about the frequency game. When you match that same frequency with money, you will become energetic match to money, and that is how you will actually open up and start attracting money into your life. In order to become this match, this frequency match with money, we need to basically realign the energy, your energy. And your energy is a reflection of your thoughts, your beliefs, your core beliefs that are then connected to the emotion that is connected to the word of money. So any emotion you feel right now when I say you can manifest money just like that, what do you feel? You feel like, what are you talking about? What a BS. What do you feel? Or you feel, oh yeah, it's totally possible. Bring it on. Comment below, what do you feel when I tell you, yeah, you can manifest money like that out of thin air? Because that's how you know what is your alignment. That's number one. Number two, alignment with the number, certain number. Guess what? The number has no meaning. You assign the meaning. Some people perceive 10,000 like a lot of money. Other people feel 100K months are good months. For other people, 100K months, it's nothing. It's a joke because they are used to bringing in 1 million per month. What is it that you assign to that specific number? Your dream number, your dream income, because you assign meaning to that number. Only you assign that meaning, and based off that assigned meaning, then you create a relationship to that number. So you either are attracting money in or you're repelling money in, because your nervous system is never going to fail you. You have this nervous system to protect you. So whenever you feel like there is some sort of danger, or you feel like it's hard to make money and it might mean for you to be in some sort of danger, like maybe you are afraid to pay taxes, maybe you're afraid to get rich because people will hate you, whatever it is, that fear will always protect you from attracting money. Your nervous system needs to be regulated. And when your nervous system is not regulated, when you are stretching yourself way too much, right, then you're not going to manifest it. And there are coaches who teach about stretch yourself, manifest this number. Yes, you can stretch yourself and manifest a number. However, when you feel like it's way too far, you're not going to do it because your nervous system will become dysregulated. And that is the moment you go into anxiety mode, if you will. And that's why you can actually observe these up and downs in your income, because when you are aligned, it goes up. When you are actually in that anxiety, it goes down, and so on. So instead of actually going crazy, I want you to practice simple technique. Try aligning, let's say 10% or 20% more than you are making right now. Align with that number and make it feel like it's no big deal, because you assign meaning to it. As you train yourself, you can actually increase it and go higher and higher and higher. Every month you can increase it by 20%. And this way, the moment you feel like it's normal, this number, again, you're the one who is assigning the meaning, nobody else but you. When you assign the meaning to the number, it's normal. You accept that number like it's no big deal, it's going to come to you. You're going to match the frequency. Provided, here's the key, provided you are actually applying the law of circulation in your life. This is important. There are people who think manifesting money out of thin air with just sitting and meditating, it's going to manifest my money. No, you got to be involved with this law of circulation. What is the law of circulation? I talk a lot about law of circulation. Actually, I wrote it in my book, Love is the Law. Check it out. Wonderful book. And I talk about the law of circulation that is important. It's that exchange of energy. In order to receive, you have to give. So the fastest way to start receiving more is by engaging into energy circulation. So if you are, for example, business owner, start providing value in the form of service or product right now, and think of it like exchange of energy. You provide this value, you provide this service, which is the value, which is energy. It's your energy that you are providing. And at the same time, you are opening up to receive. So if there is any limitation, any condition tied to that service, meaning I give you this if you give me this back, it's conditioned exchange of energy and it's not going to work. If there is any control or manipulation when you are providing your energy, your service, it's not going to work. If there is any guilt when you're receiving, you won't be able to receive because that guilt will stop it. So all these limitations in providing the service, giving the energy, and receiving the energy needs to go. When you remove these conditions or these blockages, you will become clean, beautiful channel. So you will be able to manifest abundance, money, prosperity faster. Let me know what you think. If you want to dig deeper, I do have some resources for you in description below this video. And of course, if you have any comments, questions, I welcome them in a comment section, and I will see you in my next video.